Hey everybody, bought two new plants coming fast, some fast growing tree that I'll just do a little bit of a unveiling. So in this package, they always give you a coupon on how to plant things. In this package I have a coconut palm and an edible bamboo. So I already took one out. This one is wrapped in paper. Let's see which one this one is. I think this is the edible bamboo. Definitely a lot smaller than I thought, but bamboo's supposed to grow fast, right? So this is the one that's not supposed to be as invasive as the regular one that you see growing everywhere. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure how it's going to grow. But I don't believe it sends out those little shoots, runners, that runs all over the place. And if you don't catch it, then they just take off and grow its own. This one actually sends up a shoot, and as long as you can control that shoot, you can control the how the plants spread. But more to come later when I actually plant that into the ground. The other one I have is the coconut palm. This is the coconut palm. So it's a little bit, let me go get my scissors or my pruning shears.
Those are mine.
My pruning shears would have been a lot better, but this should work. Ooh. So it got a little bit mishandled while packaging, but basically it comes like this in an actual coconut. But you can see through the upheaval of the packaging, you can see the roots, and it basically is coming apart. So I'm going to have to repot it. Alright. Here, this way you can see what it actually looks like, I guess, since it's already out of its pot. I'm going to have to repot it anyways. Here's what a coconut palm looks like. Coconut palm. So it's an actual coconut, you know, and then it grows its seed. So it looks pretty healthy. The root looks really good. But in the mail, got a little bit crazy. So what I'll probably do is repot it. Get my hands dirty. Ooh. This one is still intact, so it's not too bad. Here's this one.
Just grab the handle and move it. Look. There you go.
All right, so there is that one. And this one, I'm gonna have to repot it. Roots look really healthy though. Couple of weeds in here. Almost looks like I need a bigger pot. Well, it sticks up pretty high, but I don't think I have a bigger pot around here.
Got that busted one.
Huh?
The busted one, but
Where's the busted one?
over there, that big.
Oh no, I don't want to use the busted one. Do you see one? Hang on, let me see if I find a bigger pot somewhere. That's not a pot. You're so silly. Okay, so this is the 10-inch. I think I'm just going to have to put it in here and then repot it. I'm going to need more soil. Making sure that the cocoa nut is actually the cocoa nut. So I'm just going to make sure the soil is underneath. All around the root ball. Does that look straight?
What about this?
No, I can't use that one. Alrighty. I don't think they gave me enough soil for this sucker.
Steal some from your other plants.
My daughter said to steal some from my other plants. Well, good thing I have one somewhere. Holy crap. I think this thing is way heavier because it's full of water. We've had rain for like the past, what, 2 days straight? Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen how a coconut tree is really grown. Like the root ball system. That was kind of cool to see the root ball.
Get the beat.
Did Zena run off again? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
We have 2 dogs that just likes to run off. Okay. So I think this coconut, it's supposed to be a, it doesn't say it's a dwarf variety, but it's supposed to be, where it's supposed to bear fruit 10 feet. So we will see. If I can actually grow my own coconut, I'll be one happy girl. Alright, so you leave the actual coconut above, just cover the roots mainly. And then I'm just going to leave it outside and let Mother Nature water it. Yikes, that thing is heavy. And it looks like This is the edible bamboo. Just make sure you sure everything's intact. Here's a closer look, everybody.
Yeah.
You see it? Lots of little shoots coming out, but they don't have runners. They're not supposed to create runners. Look at those roots down below. I think I'm just gonna cut it off.
No, not the shock, the vibration. Put it fire. No, take it. This is the beat.
So this one is from fastgrowingtree.com. I want to show you one. Rini, can you move that from the screen? That I got. From Fast Growing Tree. Sorry, I'm gonna try to move this over here. Over here is the fastgrowingtree.com guava, and then two other plants. This is the Jaimito from another Puerto Rican nursery. It looks really healthy the way it came. It packaged in a USPS priority where they basically, same way as they delivered the other one. But this one definitely looks a lot healthier. This one is a, I think it's a rose apple. That one's struggling a little bit. I don't know if it'll survive, but hey, at least it still has some green leaves, so I want to leave it there. And then this here is me trying to propagate by doing air layering of a guava. I kind of want to keep it, of course, as short as possible because I have limited spacing in the greenhouse. So I cut off the main shoot right here. Hopefully I can propagate it and then let the 2-3 side shoots take off and grow laterally instead of height-wise. Yeah, so definitely recommend fastgrowingtree.com. If you guys are in the market for some tropical trees or just any kind of trees, their warranty is really good. They do have a 1-year warranty if you want to get that. They also have a 30 days Thrive money back guarantee where, you know, if your plant dies within 30 days, if you don't get the 1-year warranty, you can still call them up and they'll send you a new one. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.